po tayo ng lighting condition. Ano? Tignan mo sa. Ha? Okay na? Ito yung lighting condition ng okay. Okay, good morning po mga kababayan. Ito po ang host nyo, Arvin G Vlogs with you para sa another basketball action. Ito po ang, anong liga po ito mga kababayan? Ito ang, of course, PLBL Basketball League. Ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. Yan ha. Yan ha, first game na po tayo mga kababayan between Qatar Hoopers in blue and yellow combination versus Tropang Aspire in black uniform po tayo yun. This game is brought to the following sponsors po natin po. First of all, kaya lang po mga kababayan. Sino-sino po? Una po is Hook Up Qatar, Big John's Barbershop, Fashion Culture, Sportswear, Imprint Advertising, Pure Market Groceries, HV Kicks, Jet Vlogs, PSBQ, ang ligi na masikat, JPX TV, Winax Apparel, Qatar Sublimation by Zira Nyada, MC Cargo, and MC Cuisine, and last but not and Canopy Vlogs, and of course, Boss J. Pares, ang paresan ng bayan dito sa Qatar. Ito po ang ha? Ito po ang, of course, ano liga po ito? Ito ang PLBL Basketball League, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. We're here live right now sa the Al Sadd School number 1 in Doha. With me also po si Mr. Dencio. Sir, kawin naman sir ha. Oh, yan ha, Mr. Dencio. Ang malupit ng ano. Ano po sir? Mr. Dencio. Ang pambato ng Carrefour. Nag-aantay po tayo, standby po tayo. Anong quarter po tayo mga kabayan? Ang quarter po natin ay, of course, yan ha. Standby po tayo sa first quarter action po ha. Yan. First quarter action. Standby po tayo. First quarter pa lang po ito. Both teams are warming up now between Qatar Hoopers and Tropang Aspire Basketball Team. And thank you po pala sa QFBR Pool of Referees headed by Coach Homer and company po. Standby na po tayo. Both teams na or now warming up po. Standby na po tayo mga kababayan. Standby na po tayo. Ito po ang liga na masikat. Ito ang PLBL Basketball League. Standby na po tayo for the first quarter action. Ano na? Line up. Natawag na. Para mabilis na. Alam mas maganda pre. Yung dati yung A4 na in landscape na 2222 ito yung tulad sa A3 naman na tinisik lang 120 yan. No, diba? Pag may A4 niya okay, that's fine. Hindi, ikot. Tapos nakikita mo, ikot. Alam mo, kaya kong ikot. Diba, nagpapagkita sa akin ng SBP. Okay, ito po tayo. Calling all now, first 5 ng both this one between Qatar Hoopers and Tropang Aspire. Magsisimula na po tayo. Simula po ang aking tango-tango ngayon. Ang ating bakbakan for the first quarter action. Good morning po. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League po. Okay, game ta. Tayo po tayo. First quarter action po tayo. Jump ball. Basta ano, tag-20 yata minimum sabi ko.
Okay, good morning. This is our first game of the day. This is our PLBL.
Okay. And also after this game pala, in-announce ko na po after this game po
First 5 good teams.
Okay. Okay, second game po natin Taisir versus ABB Albida Boys Magandaan na po kayo. Ba't Taisir security guard ka pa? Okay, standby po tayo final na po. Both teams now receiving now final instructions from their coaches. And ika nga sa ating boxing, let's get it on! Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League. We're here live right now. The sunny and yet warm but cool inside Arab School number 1 in Al-Sad. Okay, first 5. Mercado and Company versus ng tropang Aspire. Mercado, Gatdura and Company versus sino-sino po sila? Riveral. Ayan. Riveral, yan, Riveral and Company. Okay, game. Jump ball, opening toss. Ayan, Riveral, De Guzman and Company naman sa Qatar Hoopers. And sama natin si Eviola. Okay. First quarter action on the way. First quarter action. Yan First quarter action po tayo. Yan, first quarter action. Okay, standby po tayo. Referees go. Okay, tip up. Qatar Hoopers versus Tropang Aspire. Tupac. Nakuha yung bola. Driving. Go to shot. Nope. Naiwi naman kay Mercado. And pass po na yun kay Mr. Ramirez. Bishop pass to Pesarillo. Nag-drive si Pesarillo. Same ball. Knock-away by Ebiota. Ball tap away by Mr. Ebiota. Okay, now Spadian pop for 3. Nope. Nakuha ni Riveral. Kick pass. Tutupak. Pops up. Nope. Okay, balik na naman po sa Tropang Aspire ang bola. Serious po sa Pesarillo. Gatdula. 2 points Gatdula.
2 points para kay Gatdula.
2 points Gatdula. Now si Ebiota may tangan ng bola. Para sa Qatar Hoopers, dumiretso. Kick out pass. Tutupak to De Guzman. Yes sir. 2 points for Mr. De Guzman. 2-all po tayong mababayat. 9 minutes, 1 second remaining. First quarter action. Ramirez to Pesarillo. Pesarillo to Ramirez again. Okay, number 30 naman to Ramirez. Driving in. And it's walang pinasa. Walang pinagpasahan.
Substitution.
Pesarillo labas muna.
Okay, burandayin.
Okay. Ebiota. May tangan ng bola. Pesarillo nilabas muna. Mga may yata nga kailangan gawin. And it's touch by Gatdula. Same ball pa rin po tayo. 8 minutes 26 seconds remaining for the first quarter action.
Paul Abjay, wala. Rebound, De Guzman.
Mapahinga. Mano?
Riveral.
Nope.
Foul on number 47 Gatdula. That is your first personal foul. First team foul on Tropang Aspire. Riveral shooting for 2.
Okay, Riveral shooting for 2. Free throws coming up. This is brought to you by Hook of Qatar. This free throw is brought to you by Hook of Qatar. Yan quality quality garment, quality accessories, caps, and many more. Yan po ang Hook of Qatar. Diyan lang po yan sa Al-Sad. Riveral second throw. Pasok! Okay, 4-2 score po na. Qatar Hoopers now leading now the charge now. Qatar Hoopers with 2 points. And Ramirez Mercado.
Mercado.
Nagamit na. Ramirez. Nakalusot. Check ball. Ebiota. Nakuha rin. Double team. Reveral. Good ball. And 1-1. 1-1. At Disho pass. Mercado. 2 points. Mercado. Okay. Tablado muli po tayo at 4 tablado po tayo. 7 minutes 38 seconds remaining. Ebiota. De Guzman. Pops up for 2. Nope. And nakuha. Ramirez, tumban ng Zares. Nice one. Nice finish. Moranday for 2 points again. Nice finish. Okay, Ebiota again. Ebiota. PLBL. Ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Ebiota pops up again. 2 points. Nope. Nakuha ni. And it's a foul by Ebiota.
That is your first.
Ebiota, first personal foul, first team foul ng Qatar Hoopers. Okay, side throw inbound po tayo. Sino pa mag-inbound po? That's Mr. Mananzares ng tropang Aspire. Okay, to Ramirez. Barangay, Gatdula, walang pinasahan. Balik po muli po sa Qatar Hoopers ang bola. Qatar Hoopers, balik po muli tayo kay Ebiota. Okay, Aguilera. De Guzman sa ilalim. Nakuha. Okay, still completed. Mercado. Gatdula driving in. Check ball. Okay, Mananzares pusot. And touch last by nicely in number 7 si Reveral. Same ball po tayo mga kababayan. Same ball. Same ball po tayo now again. Inbound po, nagatumapasahan. And it's stepping violation. Balik po muli po sa Qatar Hoopers ang bola. Ebiota. Nope. Wag mo na raw, sabi doon nila. Wag kang mambato. Ebiota. Baseball pass to De Guzman. Si Daisy Gatdula called for a foul.
47
Gatdula. Second team po na po yan ng tropang Aspire. Still completed almost. Nope. Balik po na. Same ball po na tayo. Mananzares. Tasas by Mananzares. Again, one more time. Aguilera pops up for 3. Nope. Nakuha. Barangay. Nakuha na Ebiota. And it's a foul committed. Nice hustle by Mr. Barangay. Pero sorry po, Mr. Ebiota shooting for 2. Courtesy of course, 3 John's Barbershop. Diyan lang po sa ating 2 branches muna po from Al-Sad and Mansura. 3 John's Barbershop, 100% po yung Pinoy-owned barbershop here in Qatar. 100% Pinoy para sa mga Pinoy, 3 John's Barbershop. Okay, second throw, Ebiota. Pasok. Tablado sa 6 po tayo yun. Nagmamadali, si Ramirez. Ramirez. Mananzares. Mercado. Gatdula. Lost the ball. And De Guzman nagmamadali. De Guzman. Malakas. Barangay. 4-on-3 situation. Still complete by Ebiota. Ebiota to Mercado. Reveral. Pops up. Yes, sir. 2 points. 2 points by Aguilera. 8-6 point score po natin at 4 minutes 26 and remaining of the first quarter action. Nope. Ayan. Barangay. Manzanares. Binaban ni Ebiota. Pinasa muna kay Ramirez. Manzanares. Pops up for 3. Nope. Mercado. Power move and +1. Possible +1 play. And that free throw will be brought to you by, of course, Fashion Culture Sportswear. To order any sportswear po sa kanilang product, just visit the FB page for details. Fashion Culture Sportswear.
Okay, substitution.
Mercado, possible 3-point play. Ahead. And it's good.
Yes, sir.
3-point completed.
Okay. Atak lang.
Okay, the score is 8-9. Lamang muli po ang Tross Pro pang Aspire ng isa. Tropang Aspire, lamang po muli ng isa. And Ebiota against Manzanares, nag-drive. Side step po, Riveral. Nope. Mercado for the rebound. Nakuha ni Di Guzman. Di Guzman, nakuha naman. Counter steal sana ni Ramirez. Sayang. Nice interception sana ni Mr. Ramirez.
12 seconds to shoot.
Nice interception play by Mr. Ramirez. Kick out muna kay Aguilera to De Guzman. Nope, malakas masyado. Barangay Ramirez and one play again by Ramirez. Okay, and one play, possible and one play. Basket made. And this free throw will be brought to you by, of course, Imprenta Advertising. We turn your ideas into absolute reality. Imprenta Advertising. Okay, labas mo ni si Riveral. Pasok po si number 26. And si Cooper din po, ipapunta na rin po. Ivan, pumasok muna. Ebiota. Lost the ball, Ramirez. 2 points, Ramirez. Okay, 8-13 na 5-point lead now been posted. Biggest lead so far by Tropang Aspire. Ivan to De Guzman. 2 points. Nakabawi ka De Guzman. De Guzman, 2 points po tayo. 10-13. Labong po ng 3. Bulawan for 3. Nice one for Bulawan. Another golden boy pala nandito. May isang golden boy pala dito. Bulawan. Guzman. Wow, shake and pick. Pasok ang bola. Okay, the score is 12-16. 2 minutes 31 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Bulawan. Barangay and Manzanares, malakas ang konti. Rebound ni Adonis. Nakuha ni Aguilera. 2 points Aguilera. Okay. 2-point lead na lang pumuli. 14-16 na score po natin yun. Still lamang pa rin po ang Tropang Aspire movement. Tropang Aspire boys. And Bulawan again. Nope. And it's a foul.
Okay, double foul
called. Ivan and Mercado.
Number 16 and 09.
16-09. Okay, substitution muna po. Ebiota labas muna, Aguilera labas muna para Mr. Cooper, kay Mr. Racoma and kay Mr. Eman. Ayan, ng Qatar Hoopers. Samahan na itong edition. Pops up, nope. Ramirez, dingin, nope. Again, one more time. Itagay sa Racoma, pops up na, Bulawan. Malakas ang konti. Racoma, naka-rebound. Nagmamadali, leading the pack. Racoma, partially lost the ball. Ivan, pops up for 3. Yes, sir.
Long two daw.
Long two lang. Oh, si Daisy, natapak sa po sa linya.
O, binig lang tayo.
Paalala po mga kababayan, itim po ang linya po rito, wag po yung asul. Ba't ito matawa? Ba't ito matawa? Racoma almost got the 3. Nilabas lang ng ring. Barangay and nice play. Touch pass, nakuha yung Racoma. 16 all po tayo. Eman leading the pack. Wala. Isa pa. Barangay, binitbit ang bola. 2 points. 2 points Barangay.
55 seconds.
Baseball pass kay Eman. Ola, sayang. Lumusot yung bola.
Time 51 seconds.
Black idol, black.
16-18.
Hindi blue.
Ay, nakakaloko kasi may badminton kasi. Ramirez. Gatdula. Galing. Extra pass. And sa foul committed. Okay, shooting foul po yan. This free throw will be brought to you by Pure Market Groceries. Available for their daily deals. Just visit Pure Market Groceries or visit their FB page for details. Yan ha. Pure Market Groceries. First shot ni Bulawan. Nope. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. The score is 16-18. 35 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Sa ating first game ng PLBL Basketball League. Second game, yes. 16-19. Lamang po nila ng tatlo. Ivan may tangan ng bola. Okay, Ivan. Nakuli. Still completed. Barangay. Nakuha rin. Nakuha ni Cooper. Cooper naman. Cooper. Yes, sir. Nice one by Mr. Cooper. Cooper, stalwart po ng Caripora Leagues din po. Kung di po kilala, yan si Mr. Cooper. 5 seconds remaining. Pops up. Nope. And it's gone. Tapos na po. First quarter is history. Second quarter is coming up. Ito po ang ating Liga ng Bayan. Ang Liga ng mga Alamat. Ito bang ating ano ba yan? PLBL Pinoy Legends Basketball League. Magbabalik po tayo sa second quarter action. Yan. Okay. Second quarter na po tayo. Second quarter action brought to you by Canopy Vlogs. Yan na. Ito po second quarter brought to you by Canopy Vlogs po. Second quarter action na po tayo yun. Second quarter action na po tayo yun. Bola ng Qatar Hoopers, si Mr. Cooper. Mr. Cooper, kawin-kawin naman dyan. O yan, o yan. Yan, Mr. Cooper.
Bola ng Black. Tropang Aspire.
Okay, Tropang Aspire daw.
Wala nila kanina first quarter.
Okay, bine-verify muna po ng referee. Tropang Aspire po, hanging 1 point lead sa ating second quarter action. Tropang Aspire leading by 1. Okay, good morning po ha. Okay, blue ball talaga sabi nila. It's a blue ball. Okay, now Cooper now for the inbound. Cooper. Tupac. Still almost. Eto na, si Riveral. 2 points. Okay, Kato Hoopers now. Labang bulang isa ngayon. 9 minutes. 48 seconds remaining. Bulawan to Pesarillo. Mercado, power move. Nope. Isa pa. One more time. Labas muna. Mainit masyado. Again. Tupac. Got Cooper. Nope. Okay, now chance again. Bulawan. Nakuha ng bola. Bulawan. Mercado. And one play made. Nakabawi ka si Mr. Mercado.
Number 09. Second personal foul, number 09. That is your second personal foul, first team foul.
Okay. Free. Baliktad na lang daw sabi nila. Muna kasi itim na kasi siya. Okay, ito pong free throw brought to you by Boss Gio Pares, ang Parisan ng Bayan dito sa Qatar. Boss Gio Pares, abil po yung mga Pares overload nila. Napakasarap yan. Boss Gio Pares, dahil po yun sa Mantuasa area in Doha. Boss Gio Pares. Mercado. Pops up. Nope. Nakuha ni. Ay, yung ano, yung kid. Yung mga bata. Children. Ay, yung bata! Yung bata!
Okay, who's fouled? Number 25. Or number 25. Iman, that is your first.
Eman called for the foul. Bulawan again shooting for 2. Pops up, yes. This street is brought to you by Canopy Vlogs. Ayan pa, Canopy Vlogs po yan. Vloggings and more events and many more. Halo po yan ng Canopy Vlogs. Bulawan, second throw. Pasok! Okay, 20-23. Lamang na naman po muli ng tatlo ang tropang Aspire. Si Cooper may tanga ng bola. Cooper. Aguilera. Nakuha na pa siya yung bola. No foul, no foul, no foul. Good ball. Bulawan. 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 Barangay. Pesarillo. Fade away shot. Pasok ang bola. 2 points Pesarillo. Shoutout po din. Sabi niya, Winax apparel ha. Don't get up from my house without wearing it. Ayan ang Winax apparel. Eman, Cooper, touch pass. 2 points. 2 points. 22-25, 8-14 remaining. Second quarter action. Pesarillo. Nakuha ni Cooper ang bola. Cooper. Aguilera. Aguilera. 2 points. Running shot. Pasok. Ayan, 24-25 na naman. 24-25. 7 minutes, 47 remaining. And it's Pesarillo. Bulawan. For 3. No, ayun. Power move. Nice one by Between. Power move. Aguilera. Pops up. Nope. One more time. Nope. Between. Pesarillo. Nag-iwan mag-isa. 2 points. Easy left by Mr. Pesarillo. And it's a timeout called by Coopers. PLBL will wishes our good morning to our following sponsors. First of all, siyempre, Boss Joe Pares, Canopy Vlogs, MC Cuisine, MC Cargo, Qatar Sublimation Sportswear, and Winax Apparel, and many more.
7 minutes and 12 seconds in our second quarter.
Ito po ang yung PLBL Basketball League. Okay, Racoma. Pasa muli. Touch pass. Ivan, hoop shot. Nope. De Guzman, pops up. Nope. Nakuha ni De Guzman ng bola. Fresh 14. De Guzman, side step move. Nice one. Palpal ng board. Pasok mo rin. 26-29 rather. Alamang po ng tatlo ang tropang Aspire. Okay, the Aspire boys. Bulan almost lost the ball. Between.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no call. Ebiota. 26-31. Lamang muli po na 5 ang tropang Aspire. 6 minutes 12 remaining. Kick pass kay Ivan. Pops up for 3. Nope. Between. Nice grip by Between. Pesarillo. Buranday. Bulawan. Malakas. Mercado almost had it but called by De Guzman.
Power number 27. Substitution.
Okay, this free throw is brought to you by MC Cuisine. Ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado. Avail of our best tasting pastel in town. Located lang po kami po sa Al-Sad area beside the near Joan Station in Doha. MC Cuisine. Ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado. Mercado shooting for the second free throw. Jumpers ready. It's labas, lumipat si Pesarillo. High flying, Bulawan to Pesarillo. Pesarillo to Bulawan. Nope, it's Manzanares to Bulawan. Bulawan, 5 na lang. Nice cut by Pesarillo, 2 points. Nice cut by Pesarillo, parang blade na inihiwa. Okay. Eviota. Pops number 3. Nope. Mercado, naka-rebound. Ramirez, special mag-isa. Easy low, 2 points. Easy 2 by Fisher Pesarillo. 26-35, a 9-point lead been posted now by Tropang Aspire. De Guzman, fadeaway shot, nope. Again, rebound ni Mercado, nako ni Ramirez. 2-on-2, Pesarillo, fadeaway shot, pasok na naman. Okay, timeout again called by Qatar Hoopers. At 4 minutes 47 remaining, lamang po na po ng 11 ang, of course, Tropang Aspire. Ito po ang yung PLBL Basketball League. Any teams po want to join our league, just visit the FB page of PLBL for details. Yan ha. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League. Back to the ball po tayo. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo mga kababayan. This time around 26-37. Lamang na po ang ng 11 ang Tropang Aspire. Looking to break the game open already. Eviota. Nice one. Touch last. Same ball. Touches by Black. De Guzman, tingin 3, nope. Ang taas ng pasa, sayang. Okay, nakuha ni Pesarillo yung bola. Pesarillo. Bulawan to Ramirez. Ramirez to Bulawan. Bulawan for 3. Pasok. Nice shot by Bulawan. 3 points. The Golden Boy is back. May Golden Boy pala rito. Si Mr. Bulawan. Eviota. Wala. No foul, no foul. And to Ramirez. Ramirez, pitaan ng bola against De Guzman. Ramirez, sa kulusot. Again, Bulawan na yan. Nakapekis ni Bulawan. And traveling violation. Traveling violation. Naipit ang konti si Mr. Bulawan. Okay, balik po muna sa laro po natin. Nilabas muna si Eviota. Racoma to Aguilera. Pinasok muna sa Adonis. Aguilera lost the ball almost by De Guzman. Nakuha ng screen. Sayang. Nakuha ni Ramirez. Nakuha ni Bulawan. Kick chest pass kay Manzanares. Pops up. Nope. Aguilera for the rebound. Aguilera driving in. Riveral, malakas ang pasa. Nakuha ni Aguilera. I see. Sayang. 3 minutes remain, 12 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action. Lamang pa rin po ng 14 ang Tropang Aspire. Ngayon naging 6 na. 16 na po. Adonis. Pass kay Racoma. Racoma driving in. Rivera, Aguilera. No. Ramirez. Bulawan, iyo mag-isa. Pops up na naman. Pasok. 3 points again by Mr. Bulawan, the Golden Boy. Aguilera. Racoma. Racoma, almost nakalusot. Riveral. Nice one. So baka sa kapuntos din. 28-45, 17-point lead ng Tropang Aspire. Again, Bulawan. Nope. Reveral. Kick pass kay Dick Aguilera. Kay Racoma. Racoma kinaliwa. Nako! Okay, one more time. Dick Guzman. Wala pa rin. Racoma. Nope. It's same ball. Tumama sa paa. Cooper.
Substitution.
Cooper in. Racoma out. Hindi. Sino ba?
Uy, bola pa. Ito po na yung substitution, no?
Okay, Racoma out to Cooper in. De Guzman for the inbound. De Guzman. Cooper. Sayang. Nice one on. Nice play sana. Di lang na na execute very well. Bulawan to Ramirez. Ramirez may tangan ng bola. Ramirez. Nice pass. May katula. Malakas ang konti. Nakuha. Ni Riveral ang bola. For the rebound. Riveral. And same ball.
Same ball.
Bola.
Sabi ni referee, same ball.
Okay.
Again. Cooper.
Guzman, sa ilalim.
Adonis, power move, fadeaway shot. Nope.
Rebound.
Kick pass kay Manzanares. Manzanares. Nope.
Bitawan. Nakuha ulit. Sa ilalim.
Ayun.
Number 7.
Riveral. Yes, Takusan. One more time. Yes, sir. Okay, nice putback. A 15-point lead been posted still by Tropang Aspire sa ating second quarter action.
Winning time, 35 seconds.
Ramirez. Pesarillo driving in. Pops up. Nope.
Number 7.
De Guzman. Aguilera. Nope. Isa pa. One more time. Okay, nagkatumap ng mabasahan. Cooper. Running shot. Pasok. 32-45. Last shot. They're going for the last shot.
10 seconds.
Ramirez may tangan ng bola. Still completed. 5 seconds remaining.
De Guzman.
Malakas. One more time. Yes, sir. It's counted. Okay, after 2 quarters po, laman po ng 13 ang Tropang Aspire. Yes.
Di ba violation? Hindi, pang-bolang tawag doon.
Okay, basket successful.
Kanya dalawang kamay kasi lang inanon niya. Isang kamay. Tapos, so kaya pinigol mo muna. Kasi pang-bolang tawag doon. Alam mo. Ayaw muna.
Okay, standby po tayo sa third quarter action. Again, D-Shore League. Ang league ng mga alamat. PLBL Basketball League. We're here live right now sa Al-Sadd School in Doha.
Ginawa niya, in-stop na yung bola.
Al-Sadd School number 1. Arab School number 1 in Doha. And we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Still, Boss Gio Pares, Qatar Noipi Vlogs, MC Cuisine, MC Cago, ang yung padala ay laging safe at sigurado. Qatar Sublimation by Zira Nyada. Winax sa Pardong, get out from our house without wearing it. JPX TV, JPX lang ang sakalam. PSBQ, ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. Jet Vlogs, vlogging, travel photography, and very many more. Ando po yun ang Jet Vlogs. HV Kicks from Jordan Celebrons. HV had all for you. And third quarter action coming up. Ito na po yung third quarter. Third quarter action. Wait lang po. Third quarter action brought to you by Pure Market Groceries. Yan ha. Third quarter na po tayo. Brought to you by Pure Market Groceries. Ramirez for the inbound. 34-45. 34-45. 16-point lead. Borangay. Nice one. Oy, sayang by Riveral. 34-45. 11-point lead been posted. Manzanares for 3. Hindi lang pala si Bulawan na may kanyon, pati pala si Manzanares meron din. Okay, Ebiota Cooper. Dish of pass to Riveral. Touch tignan and one more time. Wala pa rin. Nako ni Cooper. Good ball. Riveral kick pass kay Ebiota dinukot. Wala pa rin. Cooper naka-rebound. Naka-inbound. Naka-steal si Cooper. Cooper. black ball. Cooper, black ball. Barangay to Ramirez. Ramirez driving in. Manzanares na naman. Wala. Eman. Nakuha pero nakuha ni Ramirez ang bola. Balik na naman kay Mercado. Mercado. Ramirez. Mercado sa ilalim. Foul. It's a foul.
5, Ebiota, that is your
Ebiota, second lang yan, Ebiota. Two shots given, courtesy of Maharlika Cuisine. Maharlika Cuisine, ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado. Yan po, Maharlika Cuisine. The best tasting pastelitan tagpuin ng Maharlika Cuisine. Diyan lang po kami sa Al-Asad area, John Station in Doha. Maharlika Cuisine, ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado. Manzana, Mercado, second throw, nope. Nakuha ni Eman, nakuha ni Ebiota, nakuha ni Cooper. Cooper. Pedro, palpal. Nice palpal ni Barangay. Binurado ni Barangay ang tira. Borado ni Barangay. Pops up for 3. Tupac for 3, nope. Barangay for the rebound. Rebound, driving in, sidestep move, niluwa, isa pa daw, sabi niya, ayun, Barangay, same ball, Eman, 2 on 2, 2 on 3 situation, Eman, power move, lost the ball, Ramirez, nakalusot, nakuha ni Cooper ang bola, nakuha ni Riveral, same ball. Nice stop by Mr. Barangay. Bumubura ng tira pala to. Okay, Tobiota. Tupac. Mr. Tupac, Cooper. Sa ilalim, Riveral. Duko sa ilalim, pasok. Nice shot by Riveral. Dinudukot lang. Ramirez against Ebiota, Mercado against Eman, Manzanares, Mercado, double team, nakuha ng pasa, kick pass, yes! Nice extra pass to between for that 2. 36-51, lamang pa rin po ng 15 ang tropang Aspire. Tupac, nakuha ni Cooper, Rivera, still completed. Mercado, nakalusot. 2 points, Mercado. 6 minutes, 39 seconds remaining. Third quarter action ng PLBL Basketball League. Okay. Ebiota. Tupac driving. Riveral. Tupac to Riveral. 14 remaining. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Okay, let's go. Balik pumuli po sa itim ang bola. And it's a timeout call again by Qatar Hoopers. 36-53. Lamang muli ng 17 ang Aspire, tropang Aspire. Tuloy-tuloy po tayo sa ating mga sponsors. MC Kusimpo, MC Kagong, ang iyong padaray laging safe at sigurado. 2 branch na po yan, 1 in Dubai and 1 in Doha. And katasam sa may Ziranyada, Winax Apparel, JPEX TV, PSBQ, Jet Vlogs, HV Kicks, Pure Market Groceries, and Imprint Advertising, and many more. Okay, black po inbounding. Ramirez scaling in the defense. Ramirez against Tupac. Lost the ball. Nakuha ni Cooper. Malalim sa ilalim. De Guzman lumusot. Gatula. Barangay. 2 points. 2 shots awarded kay Mr. Barangay.
11, Tupac.
This free throw is brought to you by Imprint Advertising. We turn your ideas into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Barangay, first shot. Pasok.
First try, Boracay, basket.
Second throw, jumpers ready. Ni Mr. Barangay. It's pasok.
Try, sir, 2 out of 2.
Okay, 2 up 2. Now, 19-point lead muli. Balik muli sa 19 ang kalamangan ng tropang Aspire. To Dexman. Pops up. Nope. Okay, wag mo na raw. Sway-sway lang daw. Sabi ni Mr. Between. Ramirez. Manzanares. 3 points. 3 points nga ni Manzanares. Baseball pass kay Cooper. Cooper. Dukot sa ilalim. Wala. Ayun. Ivan, wala pa rin. One more time. Rebound battle. Nakuha ni Barangay. Nakuha ni Gatdula. Gatdula driving in. To Between. Malakas. Nakuha ni Adonis sana pero balik po sa itimang bola. It's getting hot in here. Grabe. Ramirez. Nope. To Manzanares. Nope. Nakuha ni Adonis. Almost got it by Adonis. Again, 14 shot clock. Given sa Aspire. Tropang Aspire Black. Nakuha ni Manzanares. Pass to Manzanares again. Touch pass. 3-second violation. Nangingitlog. Substitution muna tayo. 3-second violation committed by tropang Aspire. But still the score is 36-58. Lamang na po ng 22-point lead ang tropang Aspire. 4 minutes 20 seconds remaining. To Ebiota. Nope. Nakuha ni foul. Adonis called for the foul. Foul si Adonis.
That is the first personal foul.
Okay, Barangay to Ramirez. Manzanares. Nice D na Adonis. De Guzman.
Lays up. Wala. Rebound.
Hop. Same ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Baka ba? Same ball po tayo. Tupac. Aguilera. 3. Nope. Kapos. Still completed. And same ball mula. 14 shot clock remaining again. 14 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes 33 seconds remaining. Adonis sa ilalim. Take 2 si Adonis.
0-2
Barangay called for a foul. Adonis shooting for 2. This free is brought to you by Fashion Culture Sportswear. Do you want to order any sports purple? Handog po yan ng Fashion Culture. Just visit FB page for details. Fashion Culture Sportswear. Adonis first shot. Nope. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Nilabas pareho. Barangay. Ramirez. Between. Binit-bitang depensa. Pasok.
Foul number 2.
Binit-bitang depensa. Pasok ang bola.
Second personal foul. 14 foul.
Between shooting for the bonus free throw. Handog po yan ng, of course, Hook Up Qatar. Yan na. Apparels po yan. And many more. Handog po yan, Hook Up Qatar po yan. Okay, basket made. 61-36. 25 points na po. Number 11. De Guzman, fadeaway shot. Pasok ang bola. 2 points again, De Guzman, 38-61. 23. Manzanares. Labas. Nakuha ni. And it's a foul. Who's pa rep?
Foul number 27.
27. De Guzman called for the foul. Penalty situation.
De Guzman, that is your second personal foul.
Barangay shooting for 2. This free is brought by 3 Jones Barbershop. Okay, second throw. Jumpers ready na po tayo.
Second try, wala. Rebound De Guzman.
Okay, second wala. 38-62. 14. Ay, 24 pala. 24, Eviota. Aguilera, pops over 3, Bessery. Yan, kinakailangan nila. 41-62, 21-point lead. Almost still completed to Manzanares for 3.
Manzanares.
Bessery, binawi naman. Eviota driving in. Eviota kick pass. Yes, sir! 3 points na naman. Binawi naman nila. And Gatdul lost the ball. Balik muli po tayo. Okay. Sino po sila? Ayan, si Cooper papasok na rin muli. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa ating laro po ngayon. 1 minute 58 seconds remaining. First game lang po natin palang ito. Third quarter action. May pa tayo fourth quarter. Cooper. Mr. Cooper. Cooper driving in. Kick pass. Emma naman. Kessery. Ivan for 3. Ayun na. May mga kanyon din pala silang dala. Barangay. Pa-driving. Pops up. Nope. Touch po kay Barangay. Nako ni De Guzman. Nice hands. Quick hands. And it's a foul by Barangay. 0-2 again. Third personal foul.
Remaining time 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Hop. Nadulas. Cooper. To Ivan naman. Tapos. Isa pa. Aguilera. Okay, set up muna ito. Sabi niya. To De Guzman. De Guzman driving in. Nope. Rebound. Gatdula naman yun. Pass kay Gatdula. Kick pass. No. Nako na De Guzman. Nako na Aguilera for 3. Nope. Cooper, rebound. Riveral. De Guzman, fadeaway shot. Pasok ang bola. Okay, 49-65. Don't look now. 16 muli po Kalamangan. Time to nothing run. Been posted by Qatar Hoopers. Manzanares, nope. Nako ni between. Power rebound. Nakuha. De Guzman, nako ni Cooper. Cooper going and gone. 51-65, 14-point lead. Been posted na by Tropang Aspire. And 11 to nothing run. Been posted already by Tropang Aspire. Ramirez between Barangay Kapos. And no more.
Okay, and the third quarter.
Ito po yung PLBL Basketball League. Standby po tayo sa fourth quarter. Fourth and final quarter. And any teams who want to join our league, just visit the FB page PLBL for details. PLBL, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. And standby po tayo mga kababayan na ABB, Albida Boys versus Taisir. ABB versus Taisir. Second game po tayo ha. Magandaan na po kayo. Magtawag na po kayo ng mga rest back kung may rest back kayo. ABB versus Taisir. Okay, standby po tayo ha. Ito po ang anong kwarto na po tayo, boss? tayo, fourth quarter.
Yes. Ito po ang fourth quarter action. Last quarter na po tayo. Handog po yan ng Boss Gio Pares. Fourth and last quarter, handog po yan ng Boss Gio Pares. PLBL, ang liga namang alamat. Yan ha. PLBL pala yan. Yan. Okay, game. Rakoma. Okay. Ebiota. Pops up. Nope. Rebound di Riberal. Ebiota. Ebiota pops up. Kapos ang konti. Ayun, power rebound. Wala pa rin. Nice rebound ni Ivan.
Pasa ng Ebiota. 10 shot lang.
Aguilera. And nakuha rin sa Wasa Ramirez. Nakuha ni Pesarillo ang bola. Pesarillo naman. Pesarillo. Pesarillo. Wala. Sa baba. Foul sa baba. Foul sa baba po. Foul sa baba.
Foul number.
Foul sa baba po tayo. Ay, hindi pala. Shots given. Shots given. Shots given. Free throws given. Courtesy of Boss Gio Pares, ang parisan ng bayan dito sa Qatar. And also Kanoypi Vlogs, Vloggings, and many more. Handog po yan ng Kanoypi Vlogs. Pesarillo. Pops up. Pasok. 3-point play pala. And 51-68. Balik muli sa 17 ang Kalamangan. Ebiota against Ramirez. 9 minutes remaining. Nagmadali. Riberal. Isa pang beses. Riberal again. Almost had the ball.
Committed by number.
Bulawan. Free throws. 2 free throws given for Riberal. Courtesy of Maharlika Cosin and MC Cargo. Riberal, first shot.
Riberal.
Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Okay.
5 seconds violation. Tira pa na, sir.
Okay, sa ano po? Sa black ang bola naman. Sa black ang bola. Ramirez. Rami Mercado. Pops up. Nope. Nakuha ni Riberal ang bola. Riberal. Rakoma. Rakoma nagmadali. Lumusot. Rakoma. Toko sa lalim. Pasok ang bola. Nice shot by Rakoma. And Pesarillo. Bothered. Fadeaway shot. Pasok. Pesarillo. 2 points. Ebiota. Nakalos sa Ebiota. Ebiota. Binuhat. Pasok ang bola kay Ebiota. 56-70. 14-point lead na lang po. Pesarillo naman. Pesarillo. Pesarillo. Turn around. Kick pass to Mercado. Lost the ball. And touch last by Black. Same ball po tayo. Same ball po tayo. Kata Hooper's ball to Ebiota. 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 Ivan again. Nope. Pesarillo. Nakalusot ng konti. Nagantong mapasahan to Bulawan. Bulawan. Side step move. Nope. Nakuha ni Riberal. Nakuha ni Pesarillo ang bola. Ay, hindi na. Hinarangan na lang. Hinarangan na lang. Okay, substitution made na po tayo. Aguilera, labas muna. Coop, kay ano? Coop para kay Cooper. Rakoma para kay De Guzman. Ramirez, 7 minutes 40 seconds remaining. Last quarter na po tayo. And Ramirez sa kalusot. Nakuha ni Bulawan. No. Nakuha ni De Guzman. Nakuha ni Ebiota. Ebiota, 2 points.
by Biota.
12-point lead.
70-58.
70 minutes, 13 seconds remaining. Fourth quarter action. Mercado. Pesarillo. Fade away shot, nope. Ramirez for 3. Nag-iisip ng 3, ayaw. Ramirez, nakalusot, and 3-second violation committed by Aspire Boys. Ramirez, still completed. Pesarillo, pops up. Nope. Nakuha ni Ivan. De Guzman. Binuwat, binali pa, pasok ang bola. 10 ang kalamangan. 10 points lang yan, 10 points na lang yan. From the height of 25, now down to 10 points. Ang lamang na lang po ng tropang Aspire. Gatdula against Biota. Nakalusot. Gino kay Pesarillo. Kick pass. Bulawan. No. Nice rebound. Nakuha ni Ramirez. Pesarillo gan. Pesarillo nakalusot. And okay, good foul. Sabi ni De Guzman.
Foul number 7.
This free throw is brought to you by Qatar Celebrity Sportswear by Zira Nyada. Uniforms point for all kinds of sports, shapes, and sizes. Yan, nasa ilalim pala. Di binigay yung free throw. Okay, nagyan mapasahan. Mercado. Pesarillo. Still completed almost. Gatdula. And 3-second violation. Okay, nice interception by Pesarillo. Ito na naman. Mercado, power move. Good ball sana. Take 2. This free throw is brought to you by Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winax Apparel. Oh, shoutout po, shoutout. First shot, pasok kay Mercado. Second throw, jumpers ready, 60-71, 11. Second throw, jumpers, parang Ronaldo mo yung buhok mo ah. Hindi nagugulo ah. Second throw, jumpers ready, pasok pareho, 12. Adonis supporting in para kay Biota. 5 minutes, 33 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter ng first game for the day. Cooper and Cooper again. Nice pass kay Riberal. 2 points. Again a 10-point deal again. 5 minutes 20 seconds remaining.
10.3.
Ramirez. Pesarillo. Bulawan. Mercado pops up. Nope. Nako ni Ivan. Ivan kick pass kay. Uy!
Okay, same ball na.
Sabi ng referee, same ball. 4 minutes, 55 seconds remaining, 62-72. Lamang pa rin po ang Albedo Boys ng 10. Ouch. Cooper. Adonis to Cooper. Malalim. Riveral. Nope. Bulibaw di Bulawan. Ramirez. Pops up. Nope. Take Bulawan. Sa 3. Wala. Nandun si Gatdula. Wala pa rin. Ayan si Ivan. Malakas ang pasa ni Ivan. Goal. Masok sa goal naman.
Okay, substitution.
Substitution be made now. Biota, balik muna para kay Ivan. Okay. Inbounding ball si Ramirez to Bulawan to Ramirez. Pesarillo. Ramirez, number 3, may tangan na bola. Nakalusot. Ayun, nice extra pass kay Mercado. Wala, one more time. And one play made.
Basket count. Foul over 27, De Guzman.
Of course, this free throw is brought to you by JPX-TV. JPX-TV lang ang sakalam. Ano po yan? Free throws po. Ano po ang yan? All-round po yan. Meron po yung basketball drills, apparels, and many more. Yan po ang JPX TV. JPX lang ang sakalam. Extra for, again, another possession be made. Pesarillo for 3. Nope, ayaw niya. And Bulawan nakuha ng board. Cooper 2-on-2 situation. Cooper De Guzman, 2 points. Again, a 10-point lead again. 10 muli po tayo, 10. 3 minutes, 38 seconds remaining. Ramirez. Nakuha ni De Guzman ang bola. Chance to trim down 3 to 8. De Guzman, turn around pass. Si Daisy. Traveling violation. Kabit-kabit. Dumikit. Okay, sa block muli po ang bola. Ramirez to Pesarillo. To Ramirez. Ramirez. Manzanares. Ramirez. Manzanares for 3.
Manzanares tapos. Sige ang bola tayo. Bola na.
Stack up.
Naka-itim.
Stack up ang bola.
Bola na yun na.
Ayun na.
Tufangas fire.
Stack up. Ouch. Okay. Okay, who's ball rep? Draw pang aspire ball still. Take note po, hindi po jumble po tayo as per FIBA rules. Kung nagtatapo kayo. Pesarillo sa ilalim, masyadong malalim. Mercado. 3 minutes. Bang! Bailout shot is good. Riveral. Ebiota. Aguilera to Ebiota, driving in. Nope, malakas masampa, malakas ang konting tira. 74-64-76. 12-point lead to Bulawan. Bulawan, dukot sa ilalim, wala. Nakuha ni Adonis saan ang bola. Same ball. Same ball po tayo, same ball. Qatar Hoopers. Baseball pass. Riveral. 2 points Riveral. 66-76. 2-minute mark approaching. 2-minute mark approaching. 2-minute mark of its game. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes brought to you by Hukum Qatar. Available po yung kanyang mga apparels po. For the caps and many more. Just visit the Al Sadd branch for details. Yan. Pesarillo sa ilalim. Pasok ang bola. Nakalusot. Parang barena. Lumulusot. Riveral. Aguilera. Foul by Manzanares.
Our 30, Manzanares.
1 minute 35 seconds remaining. Sa larong ito, Ebiota driving in. Nakuha ni Pesarillo ng bola. Pesarillo lost the ball.
Substitution tayo. 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Substitution made now. Adonis, labas muna para kay Ivan. 1 minute 25 seconds remaining. A 12-point lead been posted. De Guzman. Aguilera, pasok! 3 points. Sham. Mercado, power move, foul.
Same ball. 1 minute and 8 seconds.
Same ball rather. 1 minute 8
14
seconds.
seconds shot clock. 14 to shoot.
Cutting in kay Ramirez.
10 to shoot.
Power move Mercado. And one play made.
Kasama pang foul.
Nice shot by Mercado. Siyempre,
Basket count.
di po pahuli po ang ating Liga ng Bayan. PSBQ Basketball League. Yan ha, PSBQ Basketball League.
09.
PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. Pops up. Nope. Rivera, nako. It's a foul again by De Guzman.
Foul number 27.
Sayang, tinap sa
Penalty na ba tayo?
penalty situation. Bulawan shooting for 2.
Okay,
First
basket.
shot made ni Bulawan. Hotdog po yun ng Jet Vlogs, travel photography, and many more. Ano po yun ng Jet Vlogs. Okay, warm-up shot, Bulawan, 50 seconds remaining. Broadcast basket made, 69-82. 11, Ebiota. Ebiota hounded by 2 players. Rebral, De Guzman, 2 points, De Guzman. 71-82, Siam, Pesarillo, Bulawan, Ebiota, nagbabantay, Pesarillo, Ivan, binabantayan si Pesarillo.
14 seconds shot clock.
40 seconds remaining.
10 seconds.
Pesarillo, Bulawan,
5 seconds.
Manzanares, nope,
Mama.
fresh 14. Okay, that's it.
10 seconds.
Okay, that's it, I believe so.
5 seconds.
Okay,
Okay,
concede.
wala na. Okay.
Okay, final score is 71-82. Final buzzer coming up. Yes, sir, it's final. 71-82. Congratulations for winning the game. Tropang Aspire. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Thank you for watching and congratulations po. Congratulations for winning the game. Tropang Aspire. Final score 71-82. Yan ha. 11 point lead lang po yan. Thank you po muli, and any teams who want to join our league, just visit the page for details. PLBL Basketball League, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Standby po tayo sa second game po between ABB Albedo Boys versus Taisir. Thank you po. Okay, ito po nga winners po natin po si Mr. Bulawan and Mr. Mercado. Mr. Mercado, defensive player of the game, and best of the game is Mr. Bulawan. Sir Bulawan, Mercado, ano po yung ginawa nyo para na-maintain nyo po yung lead nyo po? From 25 binaba po nila ng Siam, pero na-maintain nyo po doon. Sige po.
Bali,
Compress po ng konti.
para hindi naman masyadong yung game. So, binigyan namin ng magandang laban din yung kalaban nyo.
Kasi, Sir Mercado, yung mga tres mo pumutok kanina. Marami ka palang dalang bala kanina. Sir, sige po.
Ayun, kataon lang yung mga pumapasok yung mga tira natin. Kumpiyansa lang kasi sa team naman, binibigyan kami lagi ng kumpiyansa. Yun ang importante, kaya pag tumitira kami, ano man tira, tiwala naman yung team.
Okay, now, maaga pa rin itong ligo. Ano pa maasahan namin sa Albi, sa Aspire Boys, Aspire Team, sa mga susunod na laro nyo po? What to expect more?
Siyempre yung intense ng game, tapos pa-condition lagi para pagdating sa laro is talagang makakapush kami sa mga kalaban.
Okay, that's Mr. Mercado and Mr. Bulawan.
Ayun, wala naman silang ibang saan sa Aspire kundi yung magandang laro na ibibigay namin sa kanila, na asahan nila na lagi kaming ready kahit anong team pa yan, malakas na.
Okay. Matagal na rin kayo magkakasama, no? Sa Aspire Boys, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Tropang Aspire.
Yes.
Okay, eto na. Wala, no? Shoutout dyan, mga supporters, family members, loved ones. Sabihin nyo na. O sige, sa Bulawan, ikaw muna.
Suporta ng Tropang Aspire.
Yan, sige.
Yung family namin.
Yes.
Yung laging sumusuporta, yung mga asawa namin.
Yes.
Mga anak namin. Thank you sa lahat ng support.
Okay, Mr. Mercado.
shoutout sa asawa ko na natutulog ngayon.
Oh, nagpaalam ka ba? Nagpaalam ka ba? Nagpaalam ka?
O, paalam.
Okay, nagpaalam pala, wala problema. May dala mo lang ng gate pass ng pasalubong. Okay, sige po sir, sige po.
Thank you.
Okay, with it po, ito po congrats for winning game Aspar Boys and more games to come po. 3, 2, 1.